Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious recipe using two simple ingredients, egg and bread. So let's get started. I will share the full video with you step by step. First I took 4 slices of bread. I spread Amul butter on both sides using a butter knife. In a pan, I added a little butter. Now I am toasting the bread slice until golden brown. Once done, I place them on a plate. Then I finally chopped 1 carrot. I also chopped some fresh green chilies. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Finally chopped 1 onion as well. In a pan, I added butter and oil again to prevent burning. Added the grated carrots and stirred for a while. Sprinkle salt to taste. Added chopped onions and chilies and salted oil. Sprinkle some black pepper. Then I chopped a chicken sausage into small pieces. Took 3 eggs into the pan. Added a pinch of salt and black pepper. Sprinkle coriander leaves for extra freshness. Add the chopped sausage pieces. Place half a slice of cheddar cheese on top. Cover the pan and let them egg cook perfectly. Finally, garnished with some tomato sauce on top. My delicious recipe is ready. The plate looks so beautiful and colorful, just like a cafe-style breakfast. Not only does it look tempting, but it also tastes absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share and comment below if you tried it.